Today in this video, we're gonna see on how you can set up WHMCS on your web hosting. Now for this, there are two options you have. First is going to be installing using softwareOS. The second is going to be manually using your cPanel and using the WHMCS official file. Now let's get started. Now before getting started, we're gonna just discuss about HOAS reseller hosting. If you have already purchased or if you would like to migrate or if you are looking for a reseller hosting provider, you can surely visit HOAS. I provide the link in the description and comment section. You can visit them from those links. Scroll a bit down here, you're gonna find out the reseller plan. Here if you see, they are started from just $5.99, $14.99 for reseller hero plan. And then if you go, they provide you up to unlimited account. But we're gonna limit this to here, alright? Further, if you see, if you upgrade plan, the cost is just going to be much, discounted. Or you can, if you just see here for $5.99, you're gonna get 15 cPanel, 2 GB of RAM each cPanel, free WHMCS license, a few HTML templates, inode, NVMe, email, and cPanel migrations are unlimited provided by the company. Further, here you can find out the customer support related question, and here are the technical details. Further, if you would like to check every single detail, you can just click on this button here. You'll be on this compare section and you can compare every single feature completely. And one feature I've missed, whichever plan you choose is going to come with a free domain name, or elsewhere if you wish to have a cPanel web server like VPS or a dedicated server. Host can also provide. If you go for this page from the menu, you can just go to this section here, dedicated reseller, or you can just go for the server section and full VPS server, cPanel VPS server. You're gonna find out the cPanel web server. If you click on get started, you'll be on this section. If you see, they have given here the complete details, but they're gonna provide. If you just see here, you have a root D1 plan. It's gonna be for CPU core, 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of NVMe, that VPS performance. Or if you wanna go with SSD, then it's gonna be $29.99. 100% recommendation is to go with root D1 plan, as this is NVMe and there will be a lot of difference between NVMe or SSD. Now let's just take a look to the options. This server will be completely set up by the company, and here are the license you're gonna get. If you wish to have CPGAD or CSX or any, you can contact support and get your custom. Further, if you see here, every weekend you're going to get free server report, free server optimization, free server enhancement, security enhancement. Further, if you need any help, here's free customer support and full server management. Let's come to our point and how we can basically install WHMCS on our web hosting. This is my domain name at the moment, which is completely empty. I've just uploaded this file here. You just need to go to your public underscore HTML wherever your WHMCS you want to install. If you want to go with subdirectory, you just need to create a folder, name that folder, and then move this file to that folder. And I'm just gonna do installation on this section. Just click on here, extract. Once this is done, you just have to wait for a few seconds. Once this is done, the next step, you have to just reload this page. Here you can see, welcome to WHMCS. You just need to click on this button here, click here to begin. Scroll a bit down, you just need to click on I agree. Begin installation. Here you have to provide your license key and database detail. We're gonna go for the database details. For that, you just have to go to your cPanel, search here for database wizard, or you can manually create, but I'm gonna do database wizard. I'm just gonna name the first one as DB. Then next step, our database name will be DB and our user will be, I'm just gonna keep user as same. I'll copy the pass. I'll generate a password, copy it. Our password is here. Just need to click on this create user. Go back. Here you're gonna find out these basically. Now here you have to provide these details. If you see here, you're gonna find out the user is this one. You just give it all privileges, but now before that, just copy the user and database name. Now I've kept the user and database same. I would recommend them to, you should name them differently, then click make changes. Just come back here. You have to paste here the username and then the database name. And here you're gonna choose your password. If you see here, this is a password. Here you're gonna provide your license key. I'm just gonna keep it like now. I'm just gonna click on this button here and I'm gonna paste my license key. This license key is going to be different for every user. Then click on continue button. So just have to wait. As you see here, this database has been created already. So that is why our WHMCS is now almost installed. Now here you have to provide your detail. I'm gonna just fill them up. Here you see I've done my name, first name, last name, then my email address, the username, the password, and confirm password. Complete setup. This is now installed. Now the next thing we have to do here, we have to set up cron job. Copy this command, go back to your WHMCS, search here. Copy this command, go back to your cPanel, search here for cron jobs. And you have to select your 5 minutes. You can go for 1 minute, but I would not recommend as this will make your W basically cPanel. I would recommend you to set up it to 5 minutes as 1 minute will affect your cPanel usage. I'm just gonna go with 1 minute as it's set already English. Alright, we are good to go. The next thing we have to do is just go back, reload this one once, then remove this directory, delete, confirm. Next thing, click go to admin area. Now here you just need to provide the user and password. I'm just gonna give user. Alright, we have done here. Remember me, login. So here we are inside our WHMCS. This is how basically you install. As you see, if you have purchased master reseller or a VPS server and you would wish to provide this file or method to your client, the registered name is gonna be white label. Alright. This is how basically you can install WHMCS. And the next video I'm going to do on about you can how manually update your WHMCS. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very good day.